How to delete messages on Janitor AI. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete messages on Janitor AI. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and then go to janitorai.com. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in on this home page, you will see your chat right here. So click on continue. So here you will see the chat. And now select the specific chat that you want to delete. For example, I have this chat right here. So if you navigate next to that chat, there you'll find this trash icon. All you have to do is click on it. Here it says, are you sure you want to delete these messages? Click on yes. And with that, this messages is now deleted. And that's how you can delete messages on Janitor AI. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.